Hey, what is going on, y'all? I'm gonna pan the camera back around, y'all. Now, I will tell you guys, I did attach my sign. All I did was just zip tied it and wired it to my base. I'm gonna show y'all the base that I'm using. This is like a grapevine base. I actually got it at Michael's. I loved it, and I'm not gonna lie, you guys. When I saw this, I kind of already knew I wanted to use this sign because I absolutely love this sign. Now, this sign did come from Walmart. It is part of their Easter collection this year. I absolutely love it, y'all. Religious Easter has sold really, really well for me this year. So all I did was I just wired it in, and I zip tied it in. You can kind of see the little zip tie right there. Nothing super wild or extravagant. I didn't use any fancy tools. A stapler and a hot glue gun and a zip tie, you guys. So first things first, I kind of want to establish where I want some greenery, and for me and my eye, aesthetically pleasing to my eye, is I already have the sign in the bottom, like on the right hand side. I want this on the top left hand corner. I thought this stem was absolutely gorgeous, and it's kind of fitting for this because I don't want anything overpowering of this. I don't want anything to overpower it. So I'm thinking like a nice little bundle about right here. Like, what do y'all think? Like a nice little, because I still want to be able to see this wreath. I love this wreath. It, like I said, to me, it resembles the crown of thorns. So I'm like, I really like how that looks. I don't want anything to overpower it. So we're kind of going to build our little bundles here. And really, we're only going to use like 2 bundles, y'all. If I want to bring in some extra, I can. But this palm leaf, it does come with 5 pieces on it. So I did cut that up already. And do you guys see this stem right here? Do you see this gap right here? I'm just going to come on in and we're going to attach that to the back. We're going to fill that in. So nothing crazy, wild, unexpected, honestly. I'm just using what I already have to my advantage. You know, like the fiddles, the palm. Look at that. So I'm loving that already. So I'm going to put that piece right in the back of that one. And then we're going to come on in. Actually, these have like little plastic things on them. Not the biggest fan of them, but we're gonna just, oh, yes, y'all, look at that. That's so pretty. So they're all kind of gathered like right here in this little middle section. Do you guys see that? Where I have them all kind of gathered up. I'm gonna take one of my smaller zip ties and I'm gonna zip tie that together. Zip tie that all together. So 2 stems of greenery, y'all. 2 stems of greenery. I did get those at Deco Exchange. You can also find stuff at the craft store if that's where you're gonna shop for things like this. I like stuff with a lot of wire in it that I can shape it however I want to. But, so this is our first bundle, and this one was our second bundle. This one has a little extra fern. So this is going to be the one that I'm going to put naturally on the bottom. So this is the one that's going to go on the bottom, and this is the one that's going to go on the top. Now I'm going to cut this up. So there we go. Just kind of working those together. And I'm going to get this and just zip tie that real quick. So the base came from Michael's. It is part of their spring section, so that's where I did get it. Okay. I mean, it's kind of like a great, it's not flat, but there's some dimension to it. Okay, so one bush of palm leaf, you guys, that did come from Michael's as well, but the fern did come from Deco Exchange. So that came from Deco. Now, I have a few options. I'm not going to lie, you guys. With something like this and your sign like this, you have a few options. You can put your greenery just like this, right down here, which I think is absolutely gorgeous, if you wanted to do that. You can put it on the side just like that as well, or you can also put it on the top. Now I've kind of already settled my mind on doing the top like this. That's where I want that. I love the way that looks. So I'm just going to bring in my zip tie again, another zip tie, and I'm going to just zip tie that to my base, you guys. You know, this is going to be something that I could definitely turn around and make multiples of. So I'm just zip tying that stem there. Zip tie, wire, whatever you like to use, friends. The fern stem that I used did come from Deco Exchange, but the palm that I used came from Michael's. I think just bringing in this purple is absolutely gorgeous. I was going to say gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to come on in. I did make my tail because I want that right there in the front. And I'm going to come in with 13 inches of ribbon. I'm going to pinch and twist. "13 inches of ribbon." Okay, pinch and twist. So with this, you have another few options. You can choose to just do 2 loops. I'm going to do 4 because 4 is, for me, aesthetically pleasing. And I'm going to come up and I'm going to do a 15-inch loop. So we're going to do 2 13-inch loops and 2 15-inch loops. Pinch and twist. Okay. Pinch and twist. So I want 4 loops of this ribbon, kind of eyeballing my tail. Just cut that off right there. Make sure that that kind of hangs down. And I love that this is double-sided, right? Because I can curl that and it's going to hold its shape. I love a ribbon that's going to hold its shape just like that. Okay, so I'm kind of eyeballing it and making sure that... I think I want to add in another tail of this purple ribbon. So I'm just going to come on in the back, make my tail, and I want to make this one just a little bit shorter. So just a 4-loop bow with that really pretty ribbon. Absolutely love this. Absolutely gorgeous, y'all. I'm actually going to bring in some wire for this, because I want something that's going to blend in a little bit better. Okay. So now we've got our ribbon, our bow done. Okay. That is one that I always gravitate towards, especially because I can use it for Mardi Gras and also for Easter. I'm going to finagle some of our greenery around the bow, kind of hiding our mechanics. That's okay. then I'm going to just trim this one up, kind of just giving it a little knife edge. I'm going to curl that just like that. So, really simple, y'all. You have, with a base like this, and a sign like this, and greenery just like that, your possibilities are kind of endless. Y'all make sure and join us in design school. You can catch me every Monday at 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. I do a lot of big over-the-top designs in design school. That's where you can find me, like I said, every Monday at 7:30. You can go to creativecoachjordan.com to join us that way. Or you can always catch us over there on the Deco Exchange page. But, y'all, that's all I got for y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see y'all next time. Okay? Bye, y'all.